So agentic AI is a top of mind for everybody right now. AI is a force multiplier for what you have already. And so it's natural to see that attacks or attacking infrastructure evolving much more quickly. It's clear that agents are appearing at all levels of the stack. So you're going to see them in cloud and SaaS applications. You're going to see them on the endpoint. You're also seeing them inside the browser. So one of the ways that we're making heavy use of AI inside the platform is that push literally operates just like EDR does, but inside the browser. So what that means is when the extension initiates, it launches a database inside the browser and it records everything that happens. So every user click event, every type event, every navigation request, also how the browser state changes. That is a very rich source of information that can then be used for doing investigations. And so it's then possible to run queries from the back end to hunt at a DOM level across all those browsers and uncover really interesting attacks. And once they actually discover those, they then write configuration rules and drop them down to the extensions. They end up in encrypted containers and everything goes live very quickly. Where attackers are using AI to adapt and modify their attacking infrastructure very, very quickly, this is one of the ways that we are able to adapt our detection technology very, very quickly to keep up with it.